This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate XP in Minecraft. First, you'll need to understand the basic principle. We're going to exploit a game mechanic involving furnaces. Gather at least 2 furnaces, some fuel like coal or lava buckets, and a stack of items to smelt, such as 64 cobblestone. Also, find an unstackable item like a pickaxe or sword. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, let's build a basic setup. Place 2 furnaces side by side. Above one furnace, place a chest to feed raw materials, and below it, another chest to collect the smelted products. The second furnace will be your duplication furnace. Load your first furnace with fuel and a full stack of items to smelt. This creates a steady supply of experience points ready to be harvested. Now for the duplication technique. Once an item finishes smelting in your second furnace, quickly remove the smelted item and an unstackable tool, like a pickaxe, from the output slot at almost the same time. This precise timing can sometimes trick the game into giving you the experience points multiple times for that single smelted item. You'll see the experience orbs pop out, indicating success. Practice the timing to master this method. To maximize your XP gain, use efficient fuels like lava buckets or coal blocks and smelt large quantities of items. If you're having trouble, ensure your timing is precise. It's a quick action. Make sure your furnaces always have fuel and items. This method can provide a significant boost to your experience levels, allowing you to enchant your gear with powerful abilities like mending, keeping your tools repaired indefinitely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.